Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is a brand new Sailfish 241 center console. Here we are at the helm. You have a great display here. Everything you need with this Garmin GPS chart plotter, fish finder, your Yamaha gauge, stereo system, tilt wheel. This boat does have power steering, digital throttle. Right at your feet, you have a storage area. You currently have the curtain package in there, canvas cover, cup holders. Note, the underside of the hard top is the color of the hull. Really sharp. You have an Icon VHF, place for your life preservers to go, rocket launcher, overhead lights and speakers. I want you to take a look at these seats. These seats are super comfortable. In fact, you got to focus on staying awake when you're on a long ride. It's so comfortable. As we move to the back of the boat, this boat does have a Yamaha 300. Fold down seat. Additional rod holders. Freshwater shower. You have a remote here for your stereo, so if you're in the water swimming, you don't have to come out of the water. You can just turn the stereo right there. You have a saltwater wash down. Put that on a coil hose, and the sprayer sits right here. Plenty of spots for your knives and your pliers. This is something really nice that Sailfish does. So whether you're fishing or having fun with your family, you can leave everything on the boat. This is a telescoping ski pilot. Out of the way. It's awesome. You have your live well here. Some storage for tackle. Look at that. Nice drawers, tackle boxes. Again, you can leave everything on the boat. Let's move forward. Here's the head compartment. There's a table that goes into the bow. Again, you leave it on the boat. Here we are up in the bow. Whether you're fishing or having fun with the family, you can really relax on this boat. The table would mount right here. You can sit and have a nice lunch or rig your lures, whichever you're going to do. Lean over and grab a nice drink out of the cooler. And you have storage both port and starboard under the seats. And note these backrests. They spin so you can use it as a bolster for when you're fishing. Also, this boat is equipped with the windlass and a stainless steel anchor. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is a brand new Sailfish 241cc. You can reach me regarding this boat or any other boat that MarineMax sells at 609-494-2102, 609-494-2102, or always on the web at www.marinemax.com. Thank you.